Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. As you may know, now we can download and install Windows 11, the stable version which have been released from Microsoft. In this video I'll show you what option do we have to download Windows 11. You can just search over Google download Windows 11 and you can find this page of Microsoft, or you can find the link on the description below and you can click over it and you will come on this page where you can download Windows 11. Once you are here, you will have three options. The first option is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. The second one is Create Windows 11 Installation Media. And in the last option, you can download Windows 11 disk image or .iso file. The best option for installing Windows 11 on the device that you are currently using is by using Windows 11 Installation Assistant. In order to download that, you just have to come over here and you click over Download Now, and the executable file will be downloaded and you just double click over it and you can follow the steps to upgrade your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. In case that your computer does not meet the minimum system requirements to install Windows 11, you will receive this notification. I'll make a video how you can bypass the system requirements of Windows 11, so please do not forget to subscribe so you can see how you can do it. The second option that you have is to create Windows 11 installation media. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, you can use this option to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or DVD. And in order to download it, you just click over Download Now and the media creation tool will be downloaded, and you just double click over it and it will start Windows 11 setup. It will show you getting a few things ready. You just have to follow the steps and you will have Windows 11. The last option is to download the .iso file. This option is for users that want to create a bootable installation media, so USB flash drive or DVD, or create a virtual machine to install Windows 11. So in order to download this .iso file, you just have to select here Windows 11 and then you click over download. It will ask you which language do you want your operating system to be, and here you can choose your language. I'll choose English and then I will click over confirm. So Windows 11 is only 64-bit, so you just click over here 64-bit download, and Windows 11 English 64-bit have started the download. The ISO of Windows 11 is around 5.1 gigabyte. Once it's downloaded, you can just double click over it and you can use it to upgrade your existing computer, or you can make a bootable USB drive and you can use that USB drive to install Windows 11 in other computers, or in case that you want to create a virtual machine with Windows 11, you can use this .iso file. So basically that's all that I wanted to show to you guys. These are three options how you can upgrade your computer to Windows 11 or how you can download Windows 11. So thanks a lot for watching and please do not forget to subscribe. Wish to you guys all the best. Thank you.